Yo, what's up, you guys? My name is David Cabra, and today we're going to walk around in downtown San Jose in the San Pedro area. I'm walking around with my Canon R6 Mark II with the RF 24 to 105 millimeter f4 lens, and this originally came with my R6. I think for street photography, family moments, and running gun situations, the f4 is plenty fine. And the main reason why I upgraded from the Mark I to the Mark II, it's because I see myself doing longer video content. But let's get back into the video. Today is a rainy day in San Jose, and that rarely happens. I had to take advantage of it. It wasn't any regular day, it was a World Cup day, so I know people were going to be out and about in the rain, and that was just perfect. If this was any other day, I probably would have been shooting urban landscape, but because there's people walking around, I'm going to focus more on street photography composition, how to align my subjects, and just get a good story going on. Also, I'm a big fan of portraiture, so I'm going to sneak some portraits in there. If you like the video so far, go ahead and smash the like button, destroy it. But in all seriousness, like the video. If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. I'm going to leave for a bit. Towards the end, I'm going to jump back in and then talk about what was successful, what wasn't, and maybe talk about what I can do next time around.
And you know what's interesting right now? Almost in this spot, in the modern years, where you have 7 players lying behind the wall. There's not a player behind the wall. So that makes me think either if this ball's not going to or if they do, they're anticipating that everything can look sharp. Maybe try and roll it underneath that wall. So your Artlist is one of the best inward free kick takers of all time. Is watching him kick it back. Into Miami hard as well. Stewart is going to see this. But a weird turn for the race. 3 balls around 2 stage lead. He's going to be called in the edge early against Henderson and Shaw. Save in 4 games. That's why they said right next to the English ball. And they're going to move Terry Kane, but why are they going to move out of the way right as it goes to strike? He ducks underneath the area he's trying to aim at.
Oh no, I missed it. Beautiful. Smooth. Now it's like couldn't get it.
Dude, excuse me. Is there any way I could get a picture of you hitting the vape?
For what?
I'm just practicing right now. I thought it just looked cool.
Okay. Like right here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I missed it, but it's alright. Was it hitting right?
I know, the wind.
Yeah. Is it alright if I just get a regular portrait then? No, but
Or a model. I'm not a model.
I mean, but you called it though.
Okay. Like what? Just like looking?
Yeah, you can just look candid. And if you can look just that way a little bit. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Are you in that like photography or something?
No, I'm way too old for that.
Just for yourself?
Yeah. Because I feel like if I don't take the discipline to do it out in the wild and like talking to strangers, it's gonna be weird if I do it in actual events.
Yeah.
So
Getting comfortable behind
Yeah,
You should go to like Christmas in the Park.
I'm about to.
Oh, okay.
I'm surprised that you guys are out in the rain. Oh, I feel it. Is it cool if I take a photo of you? I like that you were hitting that cigarette. Thank you. I can actually get a dynamic angle. That's pretty sick. I'll break this out. Sick. Hold on. Just because I'm in that sucker. Oh, that's multiple. I mean, I'm all wet. You guys okay with that? You guys got a mat or something? I don't want to be that mean. What happened? Oh, you can just look that way. Keep it nice and candid. And then one just looking at the camera. We got one more. How long did it take you guys to get this spot? I feel like it takes a while to like get things all going.
It's looking like for some place to eat or across the street.
I mean, that was good enough.
Yeah.
And then we'll do a pose one real quick. Oh, you guys are good? Go ahead.
Good?
Yeah. It adds to the charm.
Oh, nice.
I was like, this guy is looking extremely wise today.
Yeah. Actually, my buddy lost his wallet here
Damn.
last night, so we're trying to get it back.
Oh, it's one of those nights, huh?
Yeah, I was about to run away. But
Did I get it? Oh. Perfect. I feel like I can lie and say I'm a photographer for this event, but the main person's there. I'm SOL. Having it here so I can swoop on that. Nah, my ISO was way too high. I missed it, but that's alright. Who the fuck is chilling down there? These fucking guys. gonna set up shop right here so I can get these boys. Yeah. Let's see if I can get them. They look like a lovely family. I wish they were coming my way, but let's see if I can capture them right here. Hold that spot. It's beautiful. If I need to, I feel like I'm gonna zoom in. I think it is a wedding. Good for them. Oh, I'm so used to the R7 right now. If I can get this guy right here. Beautiful. It's crazy. I guess RIP to the homies, right? I think I need to train myself to do verticals and horizontals. Good old San Jose poop snake. Never change. 2,000 miles vertical. You know what? That guy's hat is cool. Let me see if I can snag one past that couple over there. Yo, man. I love your outfit. Can I take a picture of you real quick? Actually, we could just do it while walking.
Hey man, you know any restaurants you recommend?
What are you feeling?
I saw like a uni like sushi spot somewhere nearby, or Mexican, really anything.
I mean, immediately there's that section down over there. There's iguanas.
Shortly after that, my body cam died on me, but that was pretty much at the end of my journey. I spent about 20 minutes taking more photos and calling it a day. I think what was really successful about this walk was I was a bit more patient than the first time around, and I was able to catch my mistakes a lot faster. So my ISOs quickly adjusted when I needed it. My shutter speed and my aperture this time around, they didn't really change much unless I was trying to shoot down like a moving subject like the buggy that we saw earlier, or like people running. There was a moment when I was talking to the girl with the vape where I was saying out loud that I wasn't really satisfied with the photo that I took, but after I looked at the images, they were completely fine. I think for next time, I just need to keep those comments to myself. And just because I see a preview for like 2 seconds doesn't mean the photo is going to be horrible. But we live, we learn, and we grow. Anyways, if you guys like the video, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.